Hey guys, Danny here. Today we are 3D printing Chase from Paw Patrol. Stay tuned. This print took about 3.5 hours, and I also spent about an hour painting and cleanup. But I think the result's pretty good. If you would like an in-depth tutorial on how to do this, you can see my other print video where I 3D print Rocky. I'll put that as a suggestion at the top of the video. Of course, you could scale this up to any size depending on your printer. If your printer has a very large print volume, you could print this huge if you wanted to. You could also use a smaller layer height so you don't get these visible lines. So let's jump into the video. So the print started and the first layer is going down. Okay, so our print's been going for 3 hours and 40 minutes and we're at 99%. You can see the print's almost finished. And there we go, our print's complete. Okay, so we're gonna carefully remove this from the print bed. This should just pull off. We just gotta be careful that we don't snap any of the small pieces. So we just give this a little bit of a wiggle. There we go. You can see the support structure. And we're gonna go ahead and clean this up and then we'll be painting. I'm not massively impressed with the quality of this print. The leg came off. We're going to super glue that back on. The tail was also not printed properly, but it's not too bad. And here we go, all finished up. Looking pretty good. So you can see the print lines on this model. If you set your layer height to 0.1, this will be a lot smoother and you shouldn't see these lines, but your print will take considerably longer. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and hey, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more videos like this one. See you later.